What's up, it's your boy Red and Rob, bringing you another visual. As you can see by the title, man, I finally got my exhaust put on, and I actually been had my exhaust on for about a week now, but I had an idea that I was gonna do for the video, but I didn't get around to get to it. I wanted to do a couple of pulls on the end of it, but I wasn't able to get to it. I've been busy today, so that's why I went on and made this intro. I'm finna put the video out. I did record the before and after of the stock exhaust with then me putting on the M4 exhaust. The boy ain't quiet no more. I'm finally making some noise out here. You hear me? And it rides. I like how it rides now. Like it's doing real good on the pool. But man, before we get into these clips that I have, man, shout out to all my subscribers, everybody that view my channel, man. Shout out to y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in, watching and rocking with your boy. And if you new, welcome to the channel. Don't be shy. Go on and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and go back and browse some of my other videos. Got a couple of races and all other kind of car, motorcycle content. But yeah, I finally got me a new exhaust put on, the M4, the GP series, and it's making some noise, and I'm not quiet no more. You feel me? I'm finally making some noise out here. It's been a long time coming. You feel me? But like I said, I got some clips from before and after putting it on. So hey, let's get into it. Man, look. On there now. Shout it, baby. Bit different than the time. my clips that I had put together of the before and after of having the exhaust on, and I did ride. Shout out to my homeboy that recorded me while I was riding. He always trying to race and stuff, man. Hey man, I just wanted to ride. But appreciate you for doing it for me. But like I said earlier in the intro, man, shout out to all my subscribers that be rocking with your boy. You know what I'm saying? Everybody that be viewing my channel, tuning in with me, man. I appreciate y'all. And if you're new, like I said, don't be shy. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. You know what I'm saying? Give me some feedback of what you think. And then go browse some other videos and watch them too. You know, so. But with all that being said, man, your boy finally got that exhaust on. I've been talking about the exhaust for a long time, and I finally got it on. So, y'all seen the clips. Y'all seen the video. Also, man, dang, we have an event coming up tomorrow, which is Sunday. We're gonna be at the track again. Me and the guys, we're going to the track. We're gonna be there all day. So, hey, I got videos coming back to back. I'm probably doing a part 2 or 3 because we're gonna be there all day. So I'm gonna have to break the videos up. But I just want to let y'all know this, so we be prepared for more videos to come to you, and very soon. But hey, it's your boy Red Rob, man. Hey, and I'm out.